What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. First off, I want to thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers. We finally hit that. It's crazy, we reached 3,000 already. We ended up reaching 1,000 subscribers in the beginning of the year, and we're halfway on the year. We already have 3,000. The goal is to hit 5,000 by the end of the year, and so far we're doing pretty good. Once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway of some sort, so go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get started. So in today's video, we're finally going to be fixing the wheel fitment. I've had these wheels for a couple months. This fitment is only what a mother can love. This is pretty bad fitment, so we're going to take care of that. And we also got some wheel spacers for the rear. I am kind of worried though, there is a lip inside and I might need to roll my fenders in the future, but we'll go ahead and slap them on and see how it looks. Another small thing that we're installing is going to be a new oil cap. As you guys may know, owning one of these cars, the oil cap is extremely hard to take off. You got to be on steroids. You got to have Thor's hammer to take off that oil cap, so I usually end up using some pliers and just twisting it off, but I do have finally a new oil cap and I'll show you guys in a bit. So here are the wheel spacers that I ended up getting. So I ended up getting a buddy to send out these spacers, so thank you to him. I'll put his Instagram on screen now. Shout out to him for helping out with the build. So here we got some 25mm spacers for the front and rear. He had the exact same wheel setup as me, so it should fit flawlessly. He did have really good fitment, so you can obviously see how bad the fitment is in the rear and also in the front. So we're going to be installing these today, and one thing to note when you are buying wheel spacers, it's really important that they are hub centric. So hub centric has this ring, and you want to make sure that it has this so it goes on top of your wheel bearing, so that you make sure that it's not riding just on the lug nuts, but it's actually secured by this part. So I've actually been wanting wheel spacers for quite a bit, so I'm excited to put these on and see how much changes the look of the car. I will be running these wheels for a bit, so I definitely want to make sure I have like the best fitment I can with these wheels before I end up getting different ones. Alright guys, with the wheel removed, we're going to go ahead and install the wheel spacer. So again, this is a 25mm, so this should give us like flush fitment on the wheels that we're running. So now the nuts that it comes with, you're going to go ahead and torque them to the same torque spec that you torque the wheels, so you don't over torque them and you don't mess anything up. Go ahead and put them on and make sure you torque them to the OEM specs. So this is what I was talking about earlier, where I was saying that the fender might end up hitting. I'm not too low, so I don't know if I'll have to worry about this, but just in case, I'm going to have to keep an eye out so I'm not rubbing as I'm driving. I torque my lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds, so make sure you get a torque wrench, torque them, make sure they're on there. Right now Tom's gonna jack it up so we can see. Oh, it's gonna be close. It's definitely gonna be close.
One pinky, dude. Just a tip, man.
I did just buy these tires like a week and a half ago, so if I had just gotten 235s, I could have pushed out the wheel even more and then had flush fitment. But since I went with the OEM spec 245/40, these are a little wider. They're just beefier. It looks really nice. I like it. We're gonna go ahead and tackle the front now, and then from there we'll be able to see how the car looks all together.
1 hour later.
Oh, that's good. That's money. That's really good actually. It used to look like it missed leg day. Now it looks like a normal car. Because I didn't like that the camber made just the wheels go so far in. So putting a spacer is going to be the only way to really fix that. Now that we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and install the oil caps. So let's go ahead and do that. Like I said earlier, these oil caps are super hard to take off. So here I have my super yoked friend, Thomas, and he's going to go ahead and take off that oil cap. This guy carries buses, he moves boulders. If he can't take it off, I don't know who can.
I used to walk to school uphill both ways in the snow.
So he's gonna really try to take it off. Okay, he took it off. He had to use 2 hands to take off the oil cap. So we ended up getting a Nismo oil cap. This was actually something that you guys ended up recommending to get, because I did make a video where I was talking about it briefly. And you guys said getting a billet aluminum one from Nismo would actually fix this. So we're gonna go ahead and install that, and I mean, it's literally super easy.
Good luck, next guy.
Bro, watch it be worse now. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. This fixes the notorious oil cap that's just stuck on there. Usually I have to take off the oil cap with these pliers, so it's just annoying to always have to be like, oh, I need to add oil. Oh, fuck, I forgot the pliers, and then get the pliers to take off the oil cap. Not only that, it comes with a Nismo sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on. Boom. Dude, that looks sick. And obviously I tightened it really hard, but there you go. And also, if you guys wanted the part number, here's the part number. This is directly from the Nissan parts, so if you guys wanted to go to your dealership and pick it up, you can, or you can just use the link in the description and pick it up from there. So there you guys have it. I ended up installing the spacers and ended up putting a new oil cap on the G35. I'm gonna have to drive around and see how the rear turns out, but I might need to roll the fenders. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here. Thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers again. We're on the road to 5K, so make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.